So as y'all can see in that little video right there, I just showed you the quad. I got a pressure washer out. About to get it over here and clean it up a little bit and snatch the seat off of it. You know, getting it freshened up a little bit. And these here cracks. I purchased a plastic welder that I seen on a couple of videos. So I'm gonna give that a shot. Like up in this area here, I'm gonna have to see, can I find another hood. This here I can, you know, probably fix, but I'm missing this whole piece here. So, and the light, I might have to bend that bracket back a little bit. But other than that, it's not bad. And this here, I'm gonna get this a shot here to see, can I fix this and this here. But like I said, other than that, man, if y'all can, you know, check it out, it's not bad at all. Not bad for the year, man, which is crazy. Missing the heel guard, but I'm thinking about putting some Nerf bars on it. And, you know, that'll really bring it out a little bit. Change the seat cover. Might change the seat itself. I might just see, can I find another seat and change that also. Brand new tires on it. You still see the nipples on there. Brand new carburetor in there, if y'all can see that up in there. But starts up pretty decent. Probably have to mess with the idle a little bit. I'm gonna tack it up, show you guys. Plastic weather, I'm gonna see, can I fix all this right here. Like I said, it's pretty mint, man. It's a 98, so pretty dope for a 98. Can't beat it. Can't beat it at all. And this little thing fly, man. So y'all already know who gonna be the, let me turn this around. Y'all already know who gonna be the champion of Topquad 3, baby. No offense, fella. But Mike, I believe you got something up your damn sleeve, man. I know you do. I know you do. But yeah, back to the quad though. But yeah, man. So we're gonna set up the tripod and we're gonna pretty much clean this thing up and try to fix these plastics a little bit. Spray it down with no SC1. I want to plastic weld these fenders before I do anything. I'm gonna show y'all guys pretty much how I do that, if y'all don't know. So like I said again, this part right here, I seen that they got one on eBay. It's all right, but if I can find another one that's a little better than the one on eBay or this one here, hey, that'll be cool too. Or if anybody got one, they can send it to me. That'll work. And this part here, I can also fix this right here. Plastic weld this here back together. You know, get that situated. I'm thinking about doing a graphics kit. I want to do a graphics kit. Not even thinking about doing one, but I want to do one. And, you know, cover all that stuff up. And another thing I gotta do, I gotta get a new chain, which I already have the sprockets. I have those. I just gotta order the chain. And that'll be it, but I cleaned up everything. Everything looking nice, as y'all can see. You know, I could have done better, but I used the pressure washer. I ain't really put my hands on it like I do the Raptor. And, you know, these old pegs here, like I said, it'd be best for me to get some Nerf bars. I see some Nerf bars for it. And, you know, since they're missing the heel guard, I might as well get Nerfs. But, yeah, no leaks, man. I just got through riding it. All right, guys. We about to start doing this plastic weld. Here's the kit that I got off of Amazon. I'm gonna make sure I send y'all the link in the description. We'll put the link in the description. This is the plastic weld gun. I don't know if some of y'all might have seen it before or whatnot, but if you haven't, here you go. And here's the little pins that you can use. They have different ones. Ziploc bag, but here's the ones you can use. Well, here's the ones that I use, that I'm gonna use here. Because if you look at it here, it fits just right in there with the how it's swirly. Goes just right. They want you to use it like the straightaway here, like that. They really don't want you to do it sideways. I guess, you know, it holds better this way, I'm assuming. But yeah, what you do is you take it here and you put it in there. Get this glue off. See this here? I'll start right here. Just mash down on it and release. Let it cool down. Pull out. That's it. I think that's pretty neat. And we're gonna put this one in here. Let it cool. Release. To remind you, this plastic is pretty thick. Check that out, guys. Slide this here over. Look at that. That is wild. I'm beating the shit out of it. Bending, 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 bending. All right, it's pretty nice. All right, guys, when you finish plastic welding these things in, See, they got these here sticking out, so therefore you want to cut them. Get you some snips. I got some better ones, but I can't find them nowhere. I mean, they come with some, but they're a little too small. These here compared to these. You know, I got some bigger ones, but I just can't find them nowhere. But, you know, try to get as far down as you can on these here. I mean, I'm gonna try to get as close as I can, but still you wanna get something like a Dremel or something like this here. And when you get through snipping them down, just run this over them so they could be smooth. So therefore, like, you know, when you're washing your quad, you want to reach up under there and cut your fingers or whatnot. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I went ahead and done this one here when y'all wasn't looking. See what I mean? Smooth, smooth. You know, and this one, see? Pretty good. I mean, on this one here, you can pretty much see, like in the light, where they at. But you know, once I put a graphics kit on it, you won't be able to tell. But at the same time, look at there. And this one right here was completely broke. Look at there. I mean, it goes on the gas tank. It's pretty cool. But I said again, you know, get you something. Smooth it down. Like this one right here, I can still feel that one. And make sure you get you some safety glasses too. But you don't want that stuff flying in your eyes. And get you something, you know, put over your nose, your mouth, or whatever, so therefore the metal fragments won't fly everywhere. That was a whole lot better. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and snip these here off. And make sure you, like, if you don't want to fly them everywhere, because once you snip them, they're gonna fly everywhere. But if you don't want them flying everywhere, just cover them up. Cover them up like that, and boom, there they go. There's one. There's the all right, we should get through cutting them. See, they right here. We got one more. All right. You're finished with them. Just find something to dump it in. Let's start. All right, finished with that. Just wipe it off. All right, as you see that I'm wiping it off, you see the rag is not getting snagged on anything. So, there. Everything is good. Pretty good. All right. Check it out, guys. All right. Now, we gotta jump over here to the next side. I'm gonna come back to y'all when I finish this one here. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one off camera. Let's flip it over. Okay. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this one off camera, and I'm gonna get back to you guys when I finish. All right, guys, finally finished with this one. Did pretty good. This right here, I mean, you know, of course it done a little better than this one because I had to go in the crease of this one over here. So turned out pretty good, man. Look at that. Man, y'all make sure y'all leave down in the comments, man, what y'all think about this here. This is unbelievable if you ask me. You know, let me turn it around and show you the back side of it. This one here. You know, pretty good. And like I said again, once I put the graphics on there, but well, before I even put the graphics on there, I'ma you know, sand it down, make sure it don't, you know, have any lumps, which it don't. But you know, those graphics, they're funny. So, but yeah, other than this here, I believe I'm gonna go ahead and like I said, start on the front ones also and go ahead and knock that out. So y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, we got the front off, and as you can see, this one here is cracked from here all the way over here. I mean, it's still intact, but we're gonna get it back together. And once you pinch them, as you can see, I'm trying to get my light right over here for you. See, once you pinch them in there, look pretty good. Look pretty good. And then we have to close this one in. So what I'm gonna do is, I believe I'm gonna start on this side. I believe this side gonna be a whole lot easier for me to do first. So I'm gonna start over here and then come over here. You can see somebody already tried to do the zip tie thing, but I guess that wasn't working. So we'll hit it with the plastic weld. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna try to hold this here together like this. And we're gonna go ahead and put one here. All right. Excuse me if I'm blocking the camera. We're gonna pinch this here towards us. Let's do this. Now, let's get this one here. Check it out, guys. Oh wow. Now that looks good. Now that looks good. It's pretty smooth. Only thing we got now is right here. And that'll be it. It looks a whole lot better than what it is. Wow. That's wicked. That looks like a crack, so I'm gonna put one there. you guys think? Pretty good? I think so myself. Beat it around. This here, it's no good for this. This here, I'm gonna have to find another one. Like I said before, I seen one on eBay. I'm gonna go ahead and order that one. But I'm gonna have to take this one off because it's broke down here. So whenever I get the other one, I go ahead and take it off. But hey, I'm about to go ahead and put everything back on the car. Yes, sir. Look at there, look at there. That look good. That look good.